Hi teachers, it's James in Japan. I found this fun game online that you can play with your junior high class. It's a downloadable board game from afoxinjapan.com. Google it. This game is geared for Japanese students and it uses infinitives. It's simple enough for them to make a simple sentence. For example, I go to school. Why? They need to give a reason. To study. Perfect. Anyway, looking at the game board, there's a start and finish, and this cool looking fox. There are basic shapes, stars, circles, diamonds. In the circles are written, go forward X number of spaces, or go back X number of spaces. No dice is required for this game. Let's take a look at the calling sheet. This is the calling sheet. There are 25 places. The numbers represent the number of spaces they're allowed to move forward. So what you have to do is cut up all these words into little squares, shuffle them, and have them face down. The first person takes the first card and reads it. Make sure your students understand all the words. They may or may not ask you why some of the words have the in front of the place. Okay, let's pretend that a student picks America and it says number 3. Starting at start, 1, 2, 3, landing on diamond. The student must say, I go to America. Then ask why. To see Hollywood or to study English. That's great. This sentence structure helps them understand how to speak more naturally. Oftentimes, Japanese students give very short sentences without the reason. Okay, let's get another student to pick a card. Let's say they choose Tokyo Disneyland with number 4. Starting at start, 1, 2, 3, 4, landing on star. They'll say, I want to go to Tokyo Disneyland. Why? To see Mickey Mouse. Perfect. Okay, let's try to get on a circle. Pretending that there are only 2 players. Back to the first player. Let's say that student chooses Australia with number 1. Okay, from the start, go forward 1 space, landing on the diamond. That student says, I want to go to Australia. You ask, why? To see kangaroos. Okay, now it's player 2's turn. Let's see what happens when that player lands on a go back X number of spaces. Oh, here's a simple one. The beach with number 1. Starting at star and moving forward 1 space. Go back 2 spaces. 1, 2, to the diamond. In this case, player 2 does not need to make a sentence. Anyway, the first person who gets to finish wins. Thank you for watching and good luck. Bye.